Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into.
Quanto peso? Good morning from Sharm El Sheikh. So we're currently on holiday. Finally, I really needed a holiday, so we were debating where to go actually, because there were so many like nice places. We just wanted like for it to be summer weather so that we can get tan, sit by the pool, by the beach, and have all these good things. So we decided to come to Sharm El Sheikh because there were so amazing, some amazing packages. So yeah, we will be staying here for a couple nights and I'll just show you guys around. The hotel is massive. It's like a whole town basically. It's like a massive resort and we opted for the all-inclusive package. It's my first time ever having an all-inclusive package in a hotel, in such a luxurious hotel, to be honest, and I'm loving it. It's such a vibe. It's given princess treatment and we love it. So yeah, I'm happy to take you guys along. It will be just like a chill vlog. So we'll be at the beach, we'll be by the pool, we'll be eating a lot of things because there will be a lot of meals, a lot of food, and we love that. And so yeah, I'm glad to take you guys along. It's such a sunny weather and oh my gosh, the sun is already hot and it's only like 8:30 in the morning. Okay, the day is gonna be amazing just because it's already hot and sunny this early in the morning. We love it.
يا حاجة يا حبيبتي.
So we were just at the beach now. We were tanning, we went swimming. The water is amazing. Obviously like it's super deep because there's no like where to walk basically. But we're loving it. Now we're going for lunch. Even though we're not really hungry, but because we have it included, why not? Basically. So yeah, it's really amazing. Like the videos, the pictures, they don't really show how beautiful it is in real life. So أنا خسرت.
لا يعني ليستر أنا.
So sorry for the mess in here. We're trying to make like a blowout kind of vibe thing, but we just came back from the beach. We got ready, we showered and everything, and now we're dressing up. We're doing our makeup so that we can go out. Yeah, just go in the center of the city. Well, it's not really the center, but it's like a big plaza. And then like, yeah, just have fun, do something fun, then come back for dinner here in the hotel. And yeah, this is basically my outfit. I love this dress. It looks so pretty and flattering, but I always take the wrong size. So this is like too small, but it's just difficult to put on because it's too small here. But then when I put it on, it's okay because it's okay. It's the same basically. It's dark outside, so we missed out on the sunset, but it's okay because we're gonna have fun anyways. That's all that matters. Now we're going for lunch. Yes, now we're going for lunch. Yay! Yay! We're so hungry. Swimming gets you so hungry, and we swim a lot. We've been just in the water the whole morning. Love it. Masterpiece. Then we had lunch in another restaurant, then we came to another one to get dessert because they had this pistachio one. And this is with the ocean view. And I'm in love. Good morning. So my friend here literally lost her voice yesterday night because we had a party here in the hotel, and she was just singing so loud that she lost all her voice. But still, it was a good afternoon. We had fun. It was really fun. Everyone was lovely and all that. It was really worth it. It's good to have like all the entertainment within the hotel, because like the area itself doesn't have much. It does, but like you have to catch a taxi, and like they might scam you with the prices, all these things. So it's best just like to have everything in one place. Ooh. Everything in one place, and you don't even have to struggle. So yeah, basically that's pretty much it. We had a party last night. We woke up super tired, but we're gonna nap in the beach. Now we're heading for coffee. First thing first, coffee and then breakfast. And then yeah, just chill by the beach. We were meant to have a boat tour today, but we changed our mind last night, and then thank God we did, because it rained and it's windy. So it wouldn't have been the best of days if we had gone now. So I'm glad that it worked out well. So yeah, we're just gonna go chill by the beach and spend all day like that. We spent the whole day by the beach basically, so like I'm really getting brown by now. But I just feel like I'm not to that kind of level that I want already, but I still have a couple of days to go. So we're just recharging for the evening. We're drinking our coffees, and then we're gonna get started to get prepared, do our makeup, shower, and all this kind of things. And tonight they're having the entertainment night is all about Egyptian, so it's like Egyptian food, Egyptian music, Egyptian dancing, all these kind of things. So yeah, looking forward to have a wonderful evening. Guarda qua i piedi lucidi, oh look! So these basically are like all Egyptian foods, and I pretty much have never tasted any of these. So you have like sausages, and then there's this, which I think is like courgette filled with things, and then they have like this, which is like an leaf filled with rice and meat. This is like bread filled with something. This is fish, and this is chicken, and there's this mushroom sauce that goes with the chicken, and this is molokhia, which I basically have never tried in my life, and I didn't even know how to eat it, so we will try everything today for the first time. And pretty much my friend got the same thing because we wanted to try pretty much a little bit of everything. Good morning everyone. Good morning. So today we have something fun planned. We're going to... This light is much better. We're heading to Ras Hamel, which is like a natural reserve where people do diving, and that's what we're doing today. We have a boat trip plus intro to diving. This will be our first time ever diving. We're like excited and scared at the same time. So yeah, since we'll be our first time, we're like a little bit excited but a little bit scared because obviously as we have never done it, like the idea of like diving deep in the water. No, we're not gonna go that deep. It will be like max 3 to 7 meters, but still it will be a little bit deep. So yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to have a great time and have fun and take a lot of nice pictures. Apparently the guide said that we might find sharks, we might find, where is the barracuda? I can't even see it. Well, we might, here's it. We might find barracudas, and apparently they could attack us. They're like, oh yeah, just mind your business. Even if they attack you, like, no girl, I'm not dying today. There might be a chance to find dolphins. These stinkies as well, they're dangerous. These as well are dangerous. These are like the only normal thing that wouldn't hurt us, but then just please stay far away from me. Don't touch me, none of you. Okay, thank you. And then there is a map. So basically, we are staying somewhere here, and we are going down here. This is the reserve we'll be going to. So we will be diving in these waters, and yeah, this looks amazing.
After finished, you have to come back again and you have to dry your shoe.
Just went to rent wetsuits and like snorkel and things if you want, because like we have the diving equipment included, but not the snorkel because we will do multiple stops. So yeah, now we're heading to the boat and we will start our adventure. Wonder which one of these will be our boat. There's so many of them parked here, and it smells like gasoline so much.
Go guys!
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It's stunning. I'm in love. So today we had an amazing experience. We've done our first time ever in our lives diving, and it's been amazing. I mean, at the beginning I was so scared because I was like, I don't know if I want to go down that deep. I don't know if I will be able to breathe with the oxygen tank and everything, but thankfully we had like one extractor each, and the guy like was following us through the whole process. He was taking us down, he was like holding us the whole time, so we weren't even like free diving or anything, and like the oxygen was just fine, to be honest. So yeah, we were as well able to have like a photographer in the water with us. He was taking pictures for us, videos and everything, and they were looking amazing, stunning. And yeah, pretty much it was like amazing. Even like we went to this white island, we're calling it. So it's like just a stretch of sand in the water, and It was just a splash of sand in the water, and it felt like being in the Maldives or something like exotic like that. And I just loved it. We took pretty pictures, and we got burned a little bit because over there the sun was hitting more, I think, or it was just like we were like with the sun reflecting in the water probably. But yeah, it was definitely something that you can take off your bucket list, diving in the Red Sea and seeing an amazing reserve, natural reserve of like the coral reef. Oh my gosh, such an experience. I'm so grateful that I've been able to do it, and once in a lifetime you have to. It's such an amazing thing. Did you like it?
I love it.
Yukarıda oturacağız orada dedi. Orada bir şey içeriz dedi. شكرا.
مساء النور.
ده السكر بتاعه ناتورال. بص بقى، شايفه كميه صغيره هنحطها على الميه السخنه، سكري عينك واستنشق البخار بتاعه. اي والله ماشي يا حسن. السلام عليكم.
We're signing away our life. We're heading out to the desert. We're gonna go quad biking, bike quadding, I don't know. We're gonna ride a quad. It's our first time ever. So yeah. Back in our room. Our room is totally become a mess, but it's okay. There's two girls in one tiny room with all our clothes. Well, my clothes, because she didn't bring many with her. There's like all my clothes all scattered around, my shoes, my heels, and oh my gosh. But yeah, we had such a fun time today in the desert doing the quad thingy. I loved driving it. It was really, really, really fun. Oh my gosh, I never thought I'd be able to drive it, but it was so easy, and it was like, I loved it. It was such an amazing experience. So now we're getting ready to have dinner. I'm hungry. And we literally just, the moment we came back from the safari, we literally just went straight in the ocean, in the water. Because like we wanted just to jump in the water and like just to cool down a little bit, and then we came back in and then we started getting ready. So yeah, now we're gonna head on out to have dinner, and then I think we're just gonna walk outside, right outside the hotel. There's like a little plaza, and we're just gonna stay there a little bit and just have a chill night. Tomorrow is our last day, full day, and I'm already sad to be leaving because I love this place so much, and I will miss the heat and the sun and the warmth and the food and everything. But it's okay, we'll come back for sure in the future, definitely.
Sorry, I can't break this one. Makes me fall downstairs.
Mango.